Here we go again. This is why we do this. We have a brand new case in today. We actually have two new cases in today. But before we get into that, real quick, we are going to start up the biggest holiday giveaway ever. We are going to have $3,000 plus in prizes. Over 50 subscribers are going to win in our holiday giveaway series for this year. You guys are lucky because we're having fun and we want you to win. We're going to have probably 75 winners in this next holiday giveaway. So subscribe so you can be a part of it. As far as today, we got in Pop Culture D-Case. What is Pop Culture D-Case? Well, I don't know exactly why ours is a little bit late, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. We're going to do a case opening of the Star Wars Pop Culture. The new Star Wars movie's coming out, so why not? We're going to do these 2x2 and just show you what we got here. The card backs look amazing. I can see already they look like a Dark Horse comic book. The first two cars in the case are the Ford Transit Supervan and the Mercedes Unimog U1300. The Transit van is a Boba Fett card back, which is pretty sick. Boba Fett Tampo is on it. Put the Mandalorian symbol on the front door there. Got Jabba's palace in the background. Very cool. The Unimog has the Rebel at the Hoth base on it from Empire Strikes Back. Probably one of the coolest battle scenes growing up that I ever saw. The Unimog is a very cool vehicle. Don't know if you guys have seen one yet, but there's the Unimog. Next two cars in the box are the same. It's two more Boba Fetts. The next two cars in the case are two more Unimogs. So we've got three Boba Fetts and three Unimogs. The next two is a very popular casting. It's the 1985 Chevy Astro van. This one's got the speeder bike from Jedi on it. Very cool. Get kind of a close up there. Super cool. Also, I want to let you know that tonight we are trying a brand new, different way to look at a set. We're popping open the entire Fast and Furious set. Take a look at it tonight. It's premiering at 7:45 Central. Okay, then the next two cars are a stormtrooper riding a dewback, patrol dewback from the first movie, it looks like. Very cool. That's on the Supervan. Also, this is a 5-car set. There's 12 cars in the box. These are the last two cars in the box. Therefore, there's going to be 2 complete sets and 2 extras. The last two in the box are the Dream Van XGW. It's got Vader and 2 of his, what are those guys called? The Royal Guard, I think. A little clear on that one. It says, join the Empire on the back of the vehicle. Very cool, very colorful card backs. Here's a top-down view of the case. Again, we're going to start the craziest giveaway that we've ever done. Subscriber, commenter, subscriber. We're going to give away over $3,000 for the holidays this year. We'll do it in sometime the first or second week of December. We got to nail that down. But we're doing it. We hope you join us. Thank you so much. This is Wheel Collectors, hot off the truck.